My floors have never been cleaner, and I haven't lifted a finger in 30 days. I've spent the last month living with 5 of the most advanced, most expensive robot vacuums of 2026. I've tested them on pet hair, spilled cereal, and muddy paw prints to find the one true, undisputed champion. So if you're ready to fire your human cleaner, stick around. And I'll be honest, the robot that everyone thinks is the best didn't even make the #1 spot. The winner is a machine that is so ridiculously good, it feels like it's from the future. But more on that in a minute. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Its best feature is its raw power for the price. You get smart laser navigation, a reliable self-empty bin, and incredible deep cleaning performance on carpets. This thing is a workhorse. It's for the person who wants that premium, set it and forget it vacuum experience without paying the absolute top-tier price, especially if your house is mostly carpet. It's one honest flaw. The mopping is an afterthought. It just kind of drags a wet cloth around, so don't expect it to scrub away any serious messes. But what if you need a robot that takes mopping seriously? I mean really seriously? That brings us to our number 4, the Ecovacs Deebot X11 Omni. The best thing here is the Omni Station, which is pure sci-fi. It washes the spinning mop pads with hot water, dries them with hot air to prevent mildew, and empties the dustbin. This robot is for the tech enthusiast who wants the absolute latest features and a truly hands-off system. Its honest flaw is that all that cutting-edge tech can sometimes be its downfall. The software can be a little buggy, and its object avoidance isn't quite as foolproof as others on this list. Now, moving on from a robot that tries to do everything, we have a robot at number 3 that focuses on doing one thing perfectly. And it's a name you will definitely recognize, the iRobot Roomba J7 Plus. Its best feature is its brain. This Roomba has the best object avoidance in the business, period. It uses a camera to identify and avoid obstacles like shoes, cables, and most importantly, pet waste. This robot is for pet owners, full stop. The peace of mind is priceless. But it has one honest, and major, flaw. It's a vacuum. In 2026, for this price, not having an integrated, high-performance mopping system means it can't be the best, overall, floor cleaner. So if the Roomba is the smartest vacuum, what happens when you pair that level of intelligence with a state-of-the-art mopping system? You get our runner-up at number 2, the DreameL10s Ultra. This machine is a true all-in-one powerhouse. The dock auto-empties, cleans and dries the mops, and refills the water tank. Its camera-based navigation is brilliant, and the rotating mop pads scrub hard floors beautifully. This is for the person who wants 99% of the performance of the absolute best, but wants to save a couple $100. Its flaw is a tiny one: the app experience just isn't quite as polished or intuitive as our number 1 pick. It is so close to perfect it hurts. And that brings us to the number 1 spot. The best high-end robot vacuum of 2026. The one that combines intelligence, power, and flawless execution. It takes everything the Dream does and just refines it to a mirror shine. The best overall robot vacuum is the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra. Its best features are everything. The dual roller brushes resist hair tangles. The Viberize mopping system scrubs hard and keeps carpets perfectly dry. The Ultra Dock is a masterclass in engineering, and the app is a dream to use. It's smart, powerful, and unbelievably reliable. This is for the person who wants the absolute best, no compromises. Its one honest flaw: the price. This is the pinnacle of floor cleaning technology, and you pay for it. It's a serious investment. But if you're looking for the best, this is what the best costs. So there you have it, the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra is our champion for 2026. But honestly, Any one of these 5 robots could be the perfect fit for your home depending on your needs and budget. I've put links to all of them, with the latest pricing, down in the description below so you can check them out for yourself. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.